One, we have a mission. Our mission is to go to the highest security. Alright, people, to the fridge. I'm sorry, sir. Did you just say fridge? Oh, I'm sorry, Colonel. I didn't know that you were technically from America. You didn't know about our important deals we have done here. I know I'm based from America, but I'm technically British, if you think about it. I guess. Well, I should tell you this now, that secretly, the fridge in that room is filled to the brim with action figures that have done wrong. What? Are you telling me that you've been putting all the criminals in that thing? In the garage? In the freezing cold? What are you thinking, man? It's the easiest way to keep the criminals escaping. It's our new rule. Any criminal that's been arrested gets chucked into the fridge if they do a crime that's too bad. Capiche? Capiche. So, what's with the others? Well, since Robin has got superpowers, and we got 2 new characters, well, I haven't seen him for a while, but still, he's new on this mission. If we don't show new rookies, we don't know if we'll ever seem to survive, because one day Rob and Doc, or even the other characters, will probably get hurt. Now wait a minute, what did you just say? Never mind about that. We're going in. Men? Ma'am? Let's go. Alright, people. Let's see if this thing can still open after this while. That snack, you filthy little bug. Remember that deal I had with your granddad? Yes, that deal. I promised him that if he ever died, which he has 50 years from now or whatever, that I'll give his mind into your body, so you can fuse and you'll end up being a super smarty pants, like you want to be. Correct? Good. Now shut up and drop the snack. I said drop it, boy! I said drop it! Once you get your grandfather's mind, you'll probably speak English, whatever. Don't you dare patronize me! Right. Alright, Johnson, come with me. Yes, boss. Let's go to the top. I don't even see a sausage in here. We have to look for criminals, not food. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Sir? What? What is it, man? Oh! Ah! Sir, are you alright? All I got was my leg. Ah! Who shut the door? I don't know. Let's get down there. How are you, sir? Pretty good. Ah, company. Such a wondrous sight. It's a shame we don't see that much, do we, Black Paraka? What do you want with us? I don't want you, sir. Oh, I just want the fridge's collection of villains. But half of them are dead. We're only storing them in there for fuel purposes. And that's the truth. And if you want to get to these villains, you'll have to go through me. Oh, such a touching speech! Congratulations! I give it 5 stars. Or in this case, 5 stars of bullet holes in your chest. Capiche? Looks like you're missing a few in your prison collection. What? Ah, you pathetic little worm! You told me that you're everyone! What do you mean that somebody ran off, one of them ran off at the speed of light? There's no way. Hello there, Megatron. What? How can this be? And why are you posing like that? Oh, I just want to get a good look at you. And this. And don't worry, my little friend, I've got something just for you. A little kiss from yours truly. Mwah. Get down! The entire toy community, thank you. All part of the new job. I'm now officially a superhero. But I'll still have time for my friends. Good for you. Looks like we've got a new character for the Christmas spy team. Yes, sir. But should we tell her? Not yet. Wait until after bonfire night. Ah, put a sock in it, you little wimp. This is only going to hurt for a few minutes, and you're done. Thank you.